The fourth element of organizational structure is span of control, which reflects the number of employees that a manager can efficiently and effectively direct. This element is important because it determines the number of levels and managers an organization will need to get the work done. Wide spans assign about 8 employees per manager. Narrow spans assign about 4 employees per manager. Organizations with wide spans then tend to have fewer levels and fewer managers than organizations with narrow spans. All else being equal, wider spans are usually more efficient. By minimizing the number of levels and managers, we can reduce the costs of selection, payroll, training. We can empower employees, speed up the decision-making processes, and increase the organization's adaptability. At some point, though, wider spans may reduce effectiveness. When managers have too many people to supervise, they're less able to provide each person with what they need, which then negatively impacts their satisfaction and performance. To mitigate these negative effects, organizations then have to invest in training their employees to make sure that they all know what they're supposed to be doing, even in the absence of hands-on leadership or management. Narrow spans allow managers to spend more one-on-one time with each employee. This provides them with more control over the quality and quantity of the product or service, and it provides an opportunity to nurture their professional relationships, 2 important aspects of their job. Narrow spans, though, have several drawbacks. They tend to be more expensive because there are more managers. They can complicate upward communication by slowing down the decision-making process and by isolating the lowest levels from the highest levels. Narrow spans may also infringe on people's sense of autonomy because managers are encouraged to pay more attention to each employee. For some people, it can feel like they're being micromanaged as opposed to empowered.